You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name from biology. Vascular plants with no roots. If you want to learn more names that are confusing, scientific names, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. Psilopsida is the English pronunciation here, so let's break it down. The pronunciation, psi, not C, psi, lopsida, Psilopsida. How to pronounce in English pronunciation, Psilopsida. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.